Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. In today's complex world, this timeless advice remains relevant and offers insights into building successful relationships. By understanding our enemies and their motives, we gain the upper hand in any situation. This proverb teaches us to be vigilant, identifying potential threats and challenges, embracing them rather than avoiding them. Rather than shying away from conflicts, we must confront them head-on, turning our adversaries into allies. This mindset allows us to anticipate their actions, strategize effectively, and protect our interests. Ultimately, keeping our enemies close cultivates an environment of growth and self-improvement. Through studying their tactics and observing their behavior, we become more resilient and adaptable, capable of navigating through the toughest of situations. Moreover, this proverb empowers us to forge meaningful connections with our friends and forge alliances based on trust and mutual benefit. By maintaining positive relationships and understanding our allies' strengths, we expand our network and create opportunities for success. So let us heed this proverb's wisdom, embracing our enemies and turning them into catalysts for our personal and professional growth. Remember, it is in facing our adversaries that we uncover our true potential and unlock the path to triumph. To further illustrate the importance of keeping our enemies close, we must recognize that by doing so, we gain a valuable perspective. By understanding our enemy's point of view, we become more empathetic and open-minded individuals. This insight allows us to address conflicts with diplomacy and find common ground, leading to resolutions that benefit both parties involved. Additionally, keeping our enemies close enables us to be proactive in protecting ourselves and our interests by closely monitoring their actions and staying informed. We can anticipate potential threats and take necessary precautions. This vigilance helps us stay one step ahead, mitigating risks and safeguarding our well-being. Moreover, the concept of keeping enemies close fosters personal growth and resilience. Engaging with our adversaries forces us to confront our own weaknesses and insecurities, providing opportunities for self-improvement. By facing challenges head-on, we develop the strength and perseverance required to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.